Stanford researchers identify brain region activity by Pokémon images. Adults who play Pokémon extensively as children have a brain region that responds preferentially to images of Pokémon. Adults who play Pokémon extensively as children have a brain region that responds preferentially to images of Pokémon. According to research findings of Stanford psychologists, the findings were published online in the journal Nature Human Behavior. Jesse Gomez, who is the study's first author and a former Stanford graduate student, was himself an avid Pokémon player in his childhood. It was as a way of testing whether early childhood exposure is critical for developing brain regions that respond to visual stimuli. The research team performed brain scans on 11 adults who play Pokémon as 5 to 8 years old. Children between 1995 to 1998, including Gomez himself. The test subjects were shown hundreds of images, including some Pokemon, and the results were compared to those who had never played the game. What was unique about Pokemon is that there are hundreds of characters and you have to know everything about them in order to play the game successfully. The game rewards you for individuating hundreds of these little, similar-looking characters. Gomez said, "I figure if you don't get a region for that, then it's never going to happen. Because every children play the games on the Nintendo Game Boy, a device with a 4.3 centimeters screen held at arm's length. It allowed the researchers to test for eccentricity bias. This theory states that the size and location of a dedicated category region in the brain depends how much of our visual field the objects take up, and whatever the objects are in the beholder's central or peripheral version." What the team found is that the occipitotemporal sulcus (UTS) of these adults do indeed respond preferentially to images of Pokemon compared to those who had not played the game. Their brains reached not only to the original Pokemon Red and Blue games, but also the images from the television anime. On top of that, the location of this brain region, which typically responds to images of animals, was consistent across the Pokemon veterans. Colin Grills Inspector, a professor of psychology at Stanford School of Humanities and Sciences, said that the findings support evidence that human brains are malleable and capable of changing shape based on visual exposure from a young age. The visual cortex is made of hundreds of million neurons. She said, "We have the capacity to encode many patterns at research of cortex." Gomez said in a video posted on Stanford's YouTube channel that the findings could be useful because they suggest that visual deficits like dyslexia and face blindness could result from the way you look at things and the way your brain has been stimulated.